Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to create secure folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to security and privacy, and here select more security settings, and here select secure folder and click on continue. Again click on continue, and is creating secure folder will be enabled. Okay, yes, it is creating secure folder, and you can keep your apps, photos, videos and other important files secure in a separate place. Okay, that is the similar location will be created in secure folder. For example, if you are saving photos and videos in your local internal storage, then and that path internal storage, that is internal storage DCIM camera folder will be created in secure folder 2. Okay, so in secure folder 2 you will see internal storage option and DCIM option and camera folder, and there you can keep important files, that is important photos, videos and files. So you can move from the original internal storage to that secure internal storage. Okay, then they will be in the safe place there. Okay, so without knowing the the secure lock, no one can access it. Okay, so for opening the secure folder it will require pattern. Okay, that is secure lock pattern. Okay, this is different from what you have used for screen pattern. Okay, let us going to check how you do it. Okay, see here, now after creating secure folder, it is created, and your phone will ask you to set pattern, pin or password for your secure folder. Okay, here it is showing that secure folder lock type. How you are going to lock? I am going to lock again with pattern. Okay, so I am using here different pattern. My screen lock pattern is like this, so I am not going to use that. I am going to use another pattern here. Okay, this is for secure folder. Okay, click on continue. Again try the same pattern, verify, click on confirm. And if you are going to turn on reset with Samsung account, suppose in case you forget your secure lock pattern, then you can turn on this option. Okay, turn on with Samsung account. Okay, if you click on turn on, yes, it will be used. Okay, that is a secure pattern can be reset at any time. Okay, in case you forget it. Okay, click on next. See here my files, that option my files are showing here similar to what you are using in the main home page. Okay, and click on internal storage, click on DCIM folder, and here there is no file available. So these are already folder that are already available in internal storage. The similar folder is created here too. Okay, suppose if you are moving from one folder there, that particular file will be moved to the similar location here, and that can be used, that can be placed secured. Okay, for example, here I am going to main gallery here, and I go to this this photo. Okay, I am going to move this photo to the secure folder. I am going to hide this photo. Okay, so what I have to do is click on this 3 vertical dots and click on move to secure folder, and it will ask secure folder pattern to authentication. Okay, and confirmation. Yes, now it has been moved. Okay, moving item from item to secure folder. Okay, now it is not visible in the main folder. Okay, there is main folder called Samsung my files. My files is here, and see here internal storage, DCIM camera folder. There is no such photo because it is already moved. Okay, but you can see that photo in the secure folder. So to open secure folder, click here. Okay, so after unlocking, your phone will not require to unlock your secure folder too. Okay, that is once you have unlocked, it will not again ask. Okay, here, okay, when your phone screen is not locked. Okay, so here I unlock my lock my phone. Now it will ask you to open your secure folder. Okay, see here, it is asking for a pattern. Okay, now give the pattern and go to my files and DCIM camera folder, and see here, this is the photo that I moved from main internal storage. Okay, so this is now hidden. Okay, hidden in this secure folder. Okay, so in this way you can easily create secure folder and keep important files, photos and videos as a secure. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.